daddy, daddy. Mommy. What's up everyone, we're Granite Spoon and today we're gonna be making 6 dozen cookies for a cookie exchange. And 6 dozen is a lot of cookies, that's 72 cookies, but she's only using 5 of those dozen for her cookie exchange.
And the rest is for us.
The rest is for us.
They're gonna be lemon cookies, so hopefully it'll come out delicious because I love lemon everything.
Alright, what is our first step here?
We're rinsing the lemons in water and some white vinegar because we're using the lemon peels and I want to make sure it's clean.
Okay.
So, first little rinse. Let it soak in a little bit and then we're going to start zesting. So I'm going to start with zesting 2 tablespoons of lemon and so.
Alright, so look, when you're zesting a lemon, you want to make sure you don't press the lemon down too hard on the grate because that can cause it to lock up. You want to let the weight of the lemon guide the cut. If you do it too hard, it will just cut.
Just going to measure out some of the zest. We need 2 tablespoons, so I just want to.
Alright. So we need 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, which she's measuring out right now. And it's a little bit
extra.
Yeah, we're gonna go a little extra as well.
So you're always gonna want to zest the lemon before you juice it because after you cut the lemon, it's really hard to zest it.
So you're squeezing the lemon. So we need 3 tablespoons of the lemon juice.
All right, I'm just gonna measure out 3 tablespoons of lemon juice.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I forget what.
4 sticks of unsalted butter. So add 2 cups of confectioner sugar.
Confectional sugar?
Confectioner
sugar? Powdered sugar?
I'm gonna mix it for 2 minutes until it gets nice and smooth. You ready?
Yeah.
Stop for a second and just scrape the sides.
Scrape the sides.
Yeah, that actually holds up if you want it to.
I just sit up. Look at that. We learn something every day. It sits up. Oh crap. I just threw it all over myself.
You drooled?
No, I threw it. I threw it all over myself.
You drooled?
No, man.
Oh, you were so sweet, boy.
Alright, so we just beat the dough, adding the lemon zest, the lemon juice, and salt, sugar, and butter, and flour.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So yeah, we've added all that into our bowl, and now we are going to start, I assume, rolling this into little bowls.
Roll it into 1-inch balls and let it chill for 2 minutes before we stick it in the oven.
And if you look, it's not that much, so we're gonna make 72 out of this. It's possible, it's possible.
We'll see.
It's possible, we can do this. So Mama is rolling the dough, and she is placing these individually on here, and she's gonna make 72 of these little balls. But they're gonna taste so good, Are you excited about trying one?
Yeah. What's that?
What's that? That's dough. All right, now she has rolled out 2 dozen of these delicious looking cookies. I can smell the lemon off of them. But now she's gonna go ahead and chill these in the fridge for how long?
2 minutos.
2 minutos, I couldn't say it, but 2 minutes in the fridge. And this will help them kind of stay solid round balls. All right, so the 2 minutes has elapsed. We're gonna go ahead and remove these from the fridge. Yummy, yummy. But as soon as you remove these from the fridge, they need to go straight into the oven. All right, so now we have these, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay these on the pan. We're gonna space them out enough. So you're gonna want to throw these in here for about 12 to 14 minutes. Alexa, start a 12-minute timer.
12 minutes, starting now.
All right, so now we have our first batch in the oven, and Belen is preparing the second batch, which will take about 12, 15 minutes. So by the time she's done this, our cookies will be ready to try. That's his version of Let It Go, the Frozen movie. So now we've removed the cookies out of the oven. We're gonna let these sit while we make the glaze.
So we're about to make the glaze. It's 3 ingredients. It's powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And that's 1 cup. I don't know how this is supposed to go. 72 cookies. Oh yeah. And so I'm gonna dip it into the glaze while they're still a little warm.
We'll say, oh my God.
I don't know.
It looks good.
Does it?
It does look good though, yeah.
And then I'm gonna put in a little bit of zest, so you know what you're eating.
Oh my God, that looks good. All right, take a bite.
Oh, hold on. I want to do all those while they're still warm.
All right, here we go. Ooh, look at the cookies. Cheers. Try this. Oh my God. Yo.
Girl?
Oh my God, they're good. What do you think?
No. I thought they were good.
They melt.
That's the
Like butter.
The powdered sugar.
Oh my
And
gosh.
the butter.
Those are like, heck yeah. High five. High five. Yeah.
High five, Mama.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much for watching. We enjoyed making it and enjoyed trying it, and I hope you guys try it and let us know if you did and if you liked it, because we think it was pretty darn good.
It melted in your mouth.
It's like addicting.
Yeah, and the only bad thing is that we only were able to eat 2 of them
I know,
because
that's
the
it.
rest are for her cookie exchange. But
Maybe a call out if not.
call out and not show up and we'll eat all the cookies. I like it.
Maybe.
Well, thank you guys, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video.
You want to say bye, bye?
Bye. Bye. Take it easy, everyone.